In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to partially close a position in Metatrader. By the end, you'll know how to scale out of a trade to lock in profit or reduce risk without closing the entire position. Start by heading to your broker's platform. In this example, we'll reference Pepperstone, but the process is the same across most brokers using Metatrader. Make sure you're logged into the correct trading account and that your platform is connected, so prices and positions are updating in real time. Next, bring up the chart for the instrument you're trading. This helps you stay oriented and confirm you're working with the right symbol, whether it's a currency pair, index, commodity, or stock CFD. Having the chart visible also lets you see current price action as you manage the position. Open the trading panel with the shortcut Ctrl+T. This opens the terminal or toolbox at the bottom of the platform where you manage trades, exposure, account history, and more. If you don't see it, press the shortcut again to toggle it. Inside that panel, click on the Trade tab. This is where all open positions and pending orders are listed. You'll see columns such as symbol, ticket number, type, size, price, stop loss, take profit, and current profit or loss. Take a moment to identify the exact position you want to adjust. Right-click on that position in the list. This brings up the context menu with options specific to the selected trade. Double-check the symbol and current lot size here to avoid changing the wrong position. Choose Close Position from the menu. This doesn't instantly close everything. It opens the order window where you can control how much to close. You'll see the position details in a volume field, along with a button to confirm the action. In the order window, enter the partial volume you want to close. For example, if you hold 1 ounce lot and want to close half, type 0.50. Make sure the volume you enter is less than the current position size and matches the broker's minimum lot and step size, such as 0.01. When you're confident the symbol, direction, and volume are correct, confirm the close. The platform will close only that portion, realize the corresponding profit or loss, and leave the remainder running. You should now see the reduced volume reflected in the Trade tab, with a new balance and the same ticket showing a smaller size. That's it. Partial closes are a powerful way to bank gains, reduce exposure, and let the rest of your trade run. As always, review your broker's contract specifications for lot steps and practice on a demo if you're new to the process.